Sorry, guys, I have got call. Okay, so here I can see, like you can see, these are the node generating character, generating setting, and generate premise, and generate, sorry, and these are the three nodes I have created, and all these node here, with the help of this function define combine, sorry, def combine element. So here I have combined these nodes, okay, and return story intro message dot content. Okay, so all parallel nodes feed. Okay, so okay, not this. Now I am going to create, what I'm going to create. Here you can see insert. Okay, so here I am going to create like a graph. Uh, Build graph. Okay, and here graph equals to state graph. Okay, and here inside this I'm going to pass state, that that node can read and write state. Okay, here now graph dot add node. Okay, I'm going to add nodes. So add node. Here these are the nodes, and bracket for character. Okay, so here this is the character. mm, Character, uh, comma, generate character. Okay, and here after this, for generate setting, this is for settings. Generate character, generate setting, and here after this I need to create another node. This one, generate setting. Need to copy it and paste it here. Okay, this is generate characters. I'm going to create another node for this one. And here I can replace it with premise. Okay, now again I need to create another node, that is combine. This is for combine. Okay, combine element. So here I need to paste it here, and I need to create combine, combine elements. Okay, so create a graph object. Okay, and add node for each function, like a small building block. Okay, so here these are the node in our graph. Okay, I need to run this. After this I need to create edges. Okay, so here in comment I need to write define edges parallel execution for start. Define edges, define edges for parallel comma execution. Define parallel execution from start. Okay, so here I need to define edges. Okay, so graph equals to ah, oh what, I need to copy this, and here graph uh, add edges. Okay, here inside the edge I need to start, keep start here, let be keep start uh, all the edges parallelly start, and here I need to pass character. It should be in brackets. Okay, and after this I need to create another edge for setting. Control V, control V, control V. Okay, this is for setting, this is for premise. Okay, so here three nodes start together from start. Okay, and they run parallelly. These are the three nodes. Okay, they are going to start parallelly, these three: character, setting, and premise. Okay, and after this I need to create another line: graph dot edge add edges character. Character, here I am going to pass this. Now I am going to combine these three. Okay. Okay, so I need to copy this. Okay, character, setting, and premise. Okay, so you can see here in first three node, this you can see three nodes start together from this start, and they run parallel. And here all nodes, all parallel nodes feed their output into combine. Okay, so they are going to feed their output into combine nodes, and combine and create a final story and goes to end. Okay, so here premise, this is for character, setting, and premise. I need to create another one for end. Okay, because I need to end these things by using combine. So here I need to pass combine here, and here I need to write end, that it will end. Okay, so here these are the three edges when three nodes start working parallelly and create a building block. And these are the for combining character and setting, setting also combined here, and premise also combined, and these things here. Okay, now all parallel nodes feed their output into a combine. Okay, and combine create the final story and goes to the end. After this, mm, here, Okay, now I am going to compile and run. So here I need to put heading compile and run. So here compiled compli compiled graph equals to graph.compile. So here graph dot image equals to compile underscore graph dot get graph. Okay, so here I'm going to compile graph. This is the variable, and here we are going to graph dot compile here and generate the image. Graph image equals to compile graph and get graph dot draw marmad image, marmad png, marmad underscore png. Okay, that we got graph image in the marmad png form. Okay, now I'm going to display this graph. So here display equals to display display image so graph underscore image. Okay, I think I got error. Display image syntax error, incomplete input.